Nuclear energy has long been the basis of argument regarding safety and innovation of energy creation. Its benefits to humanity are often overlooked. In 1939, it was observed that fission released enormous amounts of energy, and the idea of harnessing it began. In the early stages of development, scientists were concerned about the weaponry capabilities that fission offered, disregarding the idea that it could power things in the same way as coal. A MUAD report was eventually released that stated fission of uranium could be used to provide energy in the form of heat used for machines. Ever since that report, scientists have shifted to the idea of harnessing its capabilities for good and not evil, but misconceptions quickly followed. The media often describes the horrendous after effects that nuclear energy has. Each time, they do not delve into the structural integrity that power plants have and how much thought and effort is associated with them to prevent events such as fallout from occurring. Nuclear energy should become a more prominent source of energy due to its efficient manner of production and its environmental cleanliness. In 1970, the Clean Air Act was established, setting strict environmental safety standards for nuclear energy. Things such as greenhouse gases and emissions are not produced by these plants. To produce a comparison, coal-based energy generates several types of waste. Based on an article discussing clean energy, it creates severe air and water pollution. Coal production also consumes enormous amounts of fuel and water to keep its function safe and operating at peak efficiency. Approximately 1.4 million tons of coal are burned each year, aiding to the process for global warming. Natural gas also aids in the pollution of water by contaminating it with chemicals used in hydraulic fracturing. Nuclear energy can function in an emission-free manner because of the process it undergoes. To put it simply, energy is created by using the process of fission to heat up water, in turn producing steam. That steam then rises to turn massive turbines that produce electricity. The only byproduct of this is the spent uranium. Nuclear energy also has the capability of providing much more efficiency towards the creation of power compared to other forms of fossil fuels. The Institute of Physics wrote an article describing the efficiency of nuclear energy, and it explained the amount of energy released from a gram of uranium is 8,000 times more efficient than that of coal or natural gas. This enormous number means that less waste will be released into the atmosphere, therefore creating a smaller carbon footprint. The Organization of Nuclear Energy also states that there is approximately 4.6 trillion kilograms of uranium present in the world's seawater that we can extract. This process should be beneficial to humanity because a side effect would be cleaner seawater. There is no evident shortage of uranium present. The benefits of nuclear energy have been elicited and how it has the possibility of changing humanity if it is implemented in a larger scale. Therefore, there should be no hesitation whether or not it is worth the minimal risk it provides.